Hi and welcome to In the Can. Today I decided to make a dark chocolate fudge, and in this bowl I have a cup of dark chocolate chips and 2/3 of a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips because that's what I had on hand. And what I'm going to do is put these in the microwave for 1 minute, and I'll be back when that's ready. Okay, it took me actually 2 minutes to microwave the chocolate chips. I microwaved them for 1 minute, checked them, then for 30 seconds, checked them again, and then for another 30 seconds. To this I am adding a 1 pound can of dark chocolate frosting. This is a 2-ingredient fudge. I've already got my dish buttered and waiting. Alright, that's good. Now stir this in. And I'm going to pop this in the microwave for 30 seconds. And what I found when making these 2-ingredient chocolate fudges is that on the first day they taste just a little bit on the bitter side, but if you let them sit for 24 hours, and I refrigerate mine, but if you let them sit for 24 hours, that bitter taste goes away for some odd reason. Alright, let's get a spoon and there, that's stirred a little easier. All right. Let's pour this into the dish. Now, when making this, you can use all dark chocolate chips. I just happened to use what I had on hand. Spread this out. And I used the dark chocolate frosting. There we go. And let's put this in the refrigerator. To cool for at least an hour, maybe 2 hours. And I'll be back when that's ready. So I'm back with the finished fudge. It feels pretty solid. piece and taste it. It's creamy, and it has a sort of rich flavor, so it's pretty good fudge. So hopefully you enjoyed this recipe and you'll give it a try. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.